What's up guys, how you doing? Rob Sambles here. Welcome to another video, a little cheeky bonus video for you guys this week because I am kind of announcing something that we're going to do which will be in a future video or in fact a future couple of videos. Going to be a cool video. Let's go. So, I thought it might be a cool thing on this channel for me to critique some of your photos. Some of your sports photos, most probably, but they don't have to be sports photos. You can send me whatever kind of photos you like. Within reason, right? I can see you. I can see you. Don't send me those photos. So, I thought it'd be cool to do some sports critique images of your photos. Good chance for us to interact. Good chance to have a look at some of the photos you guys do. Because I follow some of you guys on Instagram. You follow me. I follow some of you. And some of you guys are amazing photographers. Just as good as me. So it'd be cool for us to share some other work on the channel. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to use an email address that I already have set up that some of you guys will be familiar with. The actual email address, I'm going to put it on the screen right here, is rspeditmyshot@yahoo.com. Now, I feel like I should touch on this subject just quick because some of you guys would have sent images to that email address before when I talked about setting up a series of videos called the Editing Suite where I was going to edit some of your videos. Now, that's still going to happen. I apologise for you guys who sent photos and I haven't done that video yet. That's because I had a bit of a change of heart on how I wanted to do the video and kind of how it was going to work. So that's still going to happen, but it will be kind of in the future. It's not going to happen right now. In the meantime, we're going to use that email address for this. So all you have to do, you send me your sports photos, make them edited so that you are happy that that photo is kind of at the stage where you would want to show other people. And we will show them in the video and we will critique the photos. I'm going to give honest, open opinions. If I like the photo, I'm going to tell you. If I think the photo could be better, I'm going to tell you. So think about that before you send your photo. At the point at which you send a photo to me at that email address, I will take that to mean that you are happy for the photo to be included into a video and you are also happy for me to give my honest opinion and critique of that photo. Sometimes that's hard to take for some people, right? So if you're not up for that, don't send me the photos to the email address because I certainly don't want to be upsetting anybody. That is not the idea of the video. Once I've got all those collected in, we'll do a video where we'll go through them, we'll share some of them. I'll credit you guys whose photos I'm using, of course, and I think it'd be quite a cool thing to do. The actual video will probably be up in about 2 weeks, so you guys have got from today, the point at which I post this video, probably about 10 days or so to send me your photos because that will be the point at which I film the video. If I get loads, I'll do more than one video, don't worry. It could even become like a series, maybe once a month we'll do it, something like that. It will all really depend on the response and the amount of photos that come through to me. Couple of quick rules. First of all, the photo needs to be JPEG. Please don't send me raw images or anything like that. Like I said, they should be kind of at the stage where you've edited them. So if you're exporting them from Lightroom or whatever editing tool you use, chances are you would convert them to JPEG at that stage anyway. The second rule is you can only send me one photo per email. So if you send me an email with 10 images on it, it will automatically get discounted because I want to try to be able to sift through them as easily and as fairly for everybody to include as many of them as I can. So please do follow those couple of simple rules so that you can be involved in the video. That's about it for today, guys. A little kind of announcement. I'm going to stick all my social media channels and all that kind of stuff at the end of this video. For those of you guys who are perhaps new, maybe this is the first video where you've seen me. Regardless of whether you're one of the old school first 10 subscribers or you're brand new to the channel, please do take the second, hit that like button. I'm really interested, right? If you guys hit the like button, it tells me you like this idea. So if you like the idea and you want me to do some of this, hit the like button because I'm going to kind of take that as the gauge of whether or not this is a series that I should pursue. If I get 5 likes, I'm going to assume it's a bad idea and we might not even do the video. We'll see how we go. So hit the like button because I'm going to take that as a bit of a measure as to whether or not this is a good idea. Guys, thank you very much for watching. I'm going to see you on the next video on Wednesday.